Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurps MSG Mondays. Today we're going to be trying Angry Chapaguri. So first of all, I'm super excited to finally see this in North American market. I did see this and pick this up when I was in Arizona, but now I'm seeing it's available here in Canada, to my dismay or to my excitement. If you are familiar with Chapaguri, aka Ramen, it's a mix of jjajangmyeon or instant jjajang noodles and chapaguri, which is like this spicy seafood udon style noodle. Koreans have mixed it together, have made their own version of it. You can buy chapaguri already made kind of like in this non-spicy variety, but obviously I'm a spice head, so I have to try this angry style, spicy style chapaguri. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, so this is the finished product. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, so this baby here is hitting the spot. You've got that nice spice level that's in this one. It's not actually super spicy, despite the angry logo that's on the package. It's actually a nice lingering spice that I think comes from that hot oil that I added at the end. But you get that nice heat in there, and I would say it's more of like a medium style heat for myself personally. This really just has this nice balance in here in terms of like that really strong and viscous black bean noodle sauce, and then the seafoodness that comes in through with that Chapagetti style noodle there. Like my first bites were just a little bit sweet, and then everything kind of melts together. For the flakes, you've got your usual suspects. You got some green onion in there, you got some dehydrated carrot, lots of seaweed in this, and that usually comes from the seafood style packet. That all comes from there. Lots of big kelp blocks, lots of square blocks there, some fish cakes, and I also even saw some baked pieces of meat, or maybe that was a mistake, but there was a couple that were in my packet, which was really nice and adds a bit of a textural element. So nice and thick. The directions are obviously a little bit different for this one. It's 350 milliliters of water, and that is just meant to absorb everything right away. And the water just kind of absorbs the noodle and dies down and gets evaporated along with the sauce as it cooks up on that high heat. I did 4 minutes for al dente. They could do 5 minutes if you wanted something more medium, and then 6 minutes if you really want it super soft. So I love having all those options there. You could also cook this noodle in the microwave as well, and I personally really loved it. Yeah, I just thought it was gonna be a lot spicier, and that's what it was marketed as. So I'm gonna have to give this a 4 out of 5. I love the flavors on this one. I just wish there's more heat coming through because I just felt a little bit let down. The flavors are on point. If you're mixed with that jjajang and like spicy seafood flavor, you're in for a treat, especially if you don't want to get the 2 packs mixed into one. This one is super awesome and just the perfect hint of spiciness in it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the links down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you for next week. Bye!